Hey guys, did you see that? I just saw a car pass by. I wonder who that is in our town. I saw it too. It was super fast. I wonder who it is too. Should we go take a look? Let's go meet up at the diner and check it out. I'm a little lost. I wonder where I am. I see a lot of cutie cars here. I wonder what this town is called. Let me go check it out. Hello there. I'm new to this town. I'm a little lost. I wonder where I am. You're in Cutie Cars town. Are you that fast car that just passed by? We were all talking about that. We didn't know who it was. Yep, that's me. I'm Sneaky Speedster. I like to go fast. Welcome to our town. It's really nice to meet you. You want to meet the gang? Sure, I would love to meet all your friends here. Hey guys, look, this is the fast car that just drove by. Her name is Sneaky Speedster. You want to welcome her to our town? Hello friends. It's nice to meet you all. I'm new here, so hopefully you guys can show me around town. We love to show you around. Welcome to our Cutie Cars town. This is our diner over there. That's where we like to eat and hang out. Do you want to come by and meet everyone? We have a lot of cutie cars here that would love to meet the Speedster. Sure, I'd love to. Follow me. I'll show you everybody in town. Here we have the speedy SUVs. And over here we have the fun food vans. And here we have our buggy buddies. Look at them hanging out. Oh, we're so glad you've decided to stay. We really enjoy you being here. Thank you so much. Yay, she's staying. Yippee, yippee. Hooray, hooray! Hi, Sophie. Hi, friends. Welcome back to Sophie's Playdate. And guess what today we have, Sophie? Yay! Limited edition! We have the limited edition Sneaky Speedster. Oh my gosh, are we so lucky? So previously we found a limited edition Royal Roadster, and look, now we found the Sneaky Speedster. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we've been so lucky to find like 2 limited edition already. So this is number 36. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. We are so ecstatic, so excited that we found this one. And now we just need to find one more and complete our limited edition set. In the back we have the Sneaky Speedster information. Here it is, guys. Her name is Sneaky Speedster. She is a convertible cutie. Features: step into a car with a lot of soul. Likes and dislikes. Likes going fast. She's a bit of a lead foot. There you go. She's the Sneaky Speedster. She must be really fast, huh guys? Okay, let's get opening. I can't believe it. We have found her. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna open. And here comes out our cutie car. Oh, hold on 1 second.
Okay.
And get the tag out. Look, here is our certificate. Let's look at our number. Okay, let's see. I see the number. Oh, it's so taped on real good. Here is our number. Cutie car, congratulations! You have just found a limited edition Sneaky Speedster, number 68 out of 1,000. Wow, we are so lucky. Look at our number, it's so low. That's good. Okay, here is the back. Limited edition. And here's a picture of our Sneaky sneakers. Oh, and loose toys. Whoa, did you guys see the rainbow shimmery? Oh, it's like magic. All right, and then we got our checklist. Let's take it out, Sophie. You want to take the tape out? You want a scissor?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a pink one.
Yeah, that's a pink Hello Kitty scissor.
Is that Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
Wait, my iPad.
Yeah? Okay, there it is, Sophie. Let's open it. Got her out. Is that our Shopkins sneaker? Oh my god, it's so tiny. Look how tiny it fits in your fingers, Sophie. You're holding it. You gotta have really tiny fingers. Ooh, it's tiny. Alright, where's our car, Sophie?
Can't see.
Okay, take it out. Take our car out. It's already out, Sophie. You gotta just pull it out. There you go. Put the sneaker in her car. Here comes Sneaky Speedster. Wow, look at her. Doesn't she look so cool? Look at the shoelace tie right there. Oh my goodness. I love her already. She is a cat. She has white sparkly ears. And look at her pink nose. Oh my gosh, I love the details on this, guys. So sparkly, white and sparkly all over with gold stripes here and a gold star and gold tires. Wow, look at this. On the side there's wings, gold wings. And in the back we have an S for Shopkins. Wow, this is really cute. And inside, let's take out our Shopkin. Here it is, guys, our tiny little Shopkin. She has a wing right there. Oh, look at her shoes. It's like those flying shoes. Look at this gold tip right here. It's so tiny. And she has little hands that come out too. Oh my goodness. And there she is. The gold Shopkin shoe. And let's put her back inside. She has a pink interior seat. Oh. Wow. There's the kitty. And let's look at the bottom of her. And let's see if we can see the numbers. There she is. She's number 68. Can't really see it. The white is so hard to see, but you can see the engraving right there. That's the bottom. Okay. Oh wow. She does look like a sneaker. She's so cute. And she is Hi! Are you new in our town? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Sneaky Speedster.
Yeah.
Hi, Speedster. Do you want to come play with us? Want to hang out at the diner?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Follow us. So, do you want to go order? This is our drive-thru.
Yeah.
Do you want to go get some food and hang out with us on the sky deck?
Yeah.
Okay, go order some food. Hello, what would you like to order? Welcome to our Cutie Cars town. I heard you're new. Do you want to get some food?
I want a hot dog.
You want a hot dog? Okay, coming up. Go to the next window, please. There is your order. Your hot dog is up. Thank you. I'm going to go on the sky deck with my friends now.
Peekaboo.
I wonder if this is the elevator. I'm going to give it a try.
Okay.
Whoa, the sky deck is so cool up here. Thanks, Motormelon, for showing me. I'm coming up, friend. Yay! Wow, this is a very cool hangout. Thank you for welcoming to your town, guys. You guys are so nice. That's it for us, friends. Hope you guys like our little cutie car video. Bye, Sophie.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Don't forget to come back and check out some of our other cutie cars. We'll be opening those cutie cars soon.